Chapter 1. Introduction to Green Home Computing. In the world of information technology, green computing is defined as the use of a computer and its resources in a responsible and eco-friendly manner. The aim of getting greener can be achieved in computing by making the environmentally responsible selection of technology and learning the right way to use the computer and to dispose of the useless computing devices in a protected way. Users can make their houses and workplaces greener by minimizing the energy consumption of computer systems and its peripheral devices. In addition, reducing the amount of electronic waste in a computer system helps a lot to go greener. Many IT vendors have continuously invented techniques to introduce the eco-friendly servers, laptops, desktop computers, and power-proficient peripheral devices. In a precise way, green computing is a systematic study discipline for designing, producing, utilizing, disposing, and effectively recycling of computer items to achieve environmental sustainability and reduce the dangerous impact on the environment. Aims of green computing. Using the computing devices in an efficient manner for minimizing power consumption. Appropriate disposal of redundant computer items and trying to reuse and upgrade the older computers. Manufacturing and using eco-friendly computing equipment. Do computer manufacturing while having a nominal effect on the environment.